made a mess of the garage and now I get to clean it up. Yay. We've just been so busy doing a bunch of other stuff that we never put anything away. I did put my welding table sort of away, but you know, I'm a hot mess. And that's the truth. And I've got some real cute, fuzzy little helpers. As bad as it normally is. Cleaned up pretty easy. So, I guess our next project for the moment, since I'm taking a break from the prelude, will be our little fake ruckus scooter moped thing. Yeah, it's literally a moped. But yeah, we've got a lot of work. We gotta strip it down completely. We're going to grind down all the metal, get rid of some of the rust. I've got to find the VIN to see if I can find a way to get this registered to us. Obviously, it was registered before, but the person that I got it from didn't have any of the paperwork. So, fun stuff. I think what I'm gonna do right now, just to help a little bit with cleaning up, is try to get the block for the D16 back on the stand. I still haven't made it down to the shop in order to get the crankshaft pulley off. There's no spider on me. Ew. Bad Spidey. But yeah, so I'm probably gonna try to bring out the engine hoist her up, and get her back on. It's worth a shot. I feel like you should have a certification to drive these things. Maybe you should have a license to drive this too. So that you're not just staring at my butt the whole time. Probably shouldn't have worn a white shirt for this. This is the part that takes forever. This video is sponsored by my father. Look into the light. Okay. So now we just got to put this on there, which is not as simple as it seems. It's on the stand again. Woo! Heave! That's a horrible sound. I won't make you guys listen to that. See, that opened up a whole entire another area. All because I put that on the stand. Hi girls! Hi! Yeah, hello! You're so cute! Hello, little ladies! Oh my goodness, Phoebe June! See, at least if I touch you, you won't look dirty. You will. Job well done. You know what that calls for? More beer. Great success. Working with old Honda plastic is always just a battle because it's so fragile and it just snaps when it gets older. Show the internet the finished product.
Let me take the fence out and clean it up a bit. Doesn't look like an artifact.
This is an ancient artifact from the 90s.
It's a 97, so it's 23 years old again. Am I 23? Yeah. I don't even remember.
How old are you?
I don't even remember anymore.
21.
21. Yep. It's weird to me. Just like something like that, man.
As with every project, when finished, you must go for a test drive.